Hello, my name is Manfred. Our company, the Profit 100 Consulting, developed a program that calculates distances and drive times between addresses in a very easy way. I will show you now how the program works. Have a look to this example. A company wants to move from its present location to another location. That's the present location here. The property agent offers two other locations, location 1 and location 2. But what does it mean for the employees? Will the new way to work be shorter or longer? We will check it now. In an Excel sheet, all addresses of the employees and all addresses of the offices are listed. In the first step, we import all addresses on a map. We use the Microsoft program MapPoint. The import will take only a few seconds. And we go here, you see here, we will use the visit. We click on the Excel sheet. And first of all, we select employees, and the wizard will do all the job for us. We go here, we select the push button, a symbol, we go down here, we take this symbol and we name it employees, and we say finish. When we click here and the right mouse click, show up all push pin names, we see the pin and the name of the employee. We do the same with the offices. Go here. Now we select the offices. We go finish. We go push pin. And now we take the red flag and we rename it, the push pin set, to offices. We say finish. And we can show all push pin information. You see here we have the present office, the location 1 and the location 2. To start calculation, we need the latitude and longitude of all addresses. And we start a small tool, it's called IC-Dataset Export. And we can select now all the datasets we want to export with latitude and longitude. We click here and we name it employees, offices with latitude and longitude. It takes only a few seconds. It's the quickest and best geocoding tool in the market. Okay, you see it? 53 datasets exported, 50 employees and 3 offices. We say OK. We have a look to the exported Excel files. You see here employees, and the latitude and longitude columns are added, and the same with the offices. Now we can start the distance calculation. We go to add-ins and we make some settings. You see here we make the settings. We can have the fonts, the colors and so on, and the calculation we can choose between miles and kilometers, North America, quickest path, shortest path, and so on. And what we go here also, we can choose a driving profile. We can use the MapPoint standard profile, or we can define our own profile for calculation. We say apply. We go to add-ins again, and now I want to fix it. And what we have to do, we have to tell the program where it will find the latitude here and the longitude and all other information that will be presented in the result Excel sheet. We do it, and we do it also for the employees. You go here, you see here, I did it before, latitude and longitude, and we have then the names, the numbers, the departments, the street, postal code and city. We say save. And then we can start the calculation. We click here, and you see the distance table. We want to have a table from the offices to all employees, all driving distance, and we say OK. We want to have it here, I say start. MapPoint is starting in the background and the calculation begins. We have 3 offices and 50 employees, and though the number of calculations is about 150, the time it will take about a little more than 1 minute. The calculation is very exactly. Okay, calculation has finished. We say continue. You find the results in 3 Excel tables: office employees and distances and times. We'll start here. You see it's from now and the other offices to all employees, and you see here the miles per hour, the average speed, and the hours and minutes. And when we go to the right hand side, you see here the processing time was 1 minute and 22 seconds. We can scroll down here and you see it was calculated also for location 1 and for location 2. And this Excel sheet, it's structured. You see here we have those columns. Those columns are the 3 offices, and those lines are the employees. And what we can do here, for instance, we can mark it here. We say filter, and we can filter is what's for all of production and so on. We can sort it, we can select it, we can choose the smallest to largest and so on. But another very nice feature is the following. We mark all those columns or part of them, and then we go to add-ins and go to this menu button. We say okay, we want to have the minimum, we want to have assignment, we want to see the name, and we want to have the nearest and the second nearest. We say okay, and you see here we now get the result. Otis Mason is nearest his address to the present location, and Edward Dillon and Yevert Havering is to location 1 and location 2 and so on. And we can do the same with also the driving times and so on. With the special macro you can format and analyze the results. In this case the Excel table shows the distances from the home address to the present and future offices. The green, yellow and red arrows show the impact on the individuals. Yes, you see it here. Okay. The software IC-DistanceAnalysis in connection with Microsoft MapPoint is the best program in the market. It's powerful and easy to use, and the low price is fantastic. If you are interested to get more information or a trial version, please contact us or visit our website. It's profit100.eu. Goodbye.